Ka golfing kala Shillong ka wei na ki jakai shongkai bat ile kai pengat ki nong shong shnong ka nong ba Shillong ka jaka ka blabu da ka Shillong club na ka benta ki nong ile kai golf. Hakis nem ki balayat ki pat ka jela ki la pendon kamya ka kum ka jakai ile sngoba bat ka jaka shongthat ka badap da ka jing itanat hakaba ki julait ban penlut por lem bat la ki parlok par jor ni ki bahyeng hasem. Ki samla ki smart baru banwan practice ya ki jing le kai ba pair kum ka football calisthenics but kibay. Lathaw pat panwandor ya katego golf course na du kipor ka Pynshai ki saheb ka ribilat kata house nem khat praspa khandai pupra da ki British Civil Service Officers jong ka Shillong club. Ka jingtmu ban bu ek te ka madan ka long ban ailat ikinong ile kai golf bikin don ye ka jakai ile kai ka babyang.
One like I football, one like I cricket and all. Maybe that the kila, give just a certain part of the golf course. One area big one like I, because you can't deny golf. Football is definitely like I, everybody plays narrow down like I football. But if you look here, you want to play golf, you have to get up early in the morning, and by 1 o'clock it is then closed for golfers and open to the public. So that is already the compromise which the golf club has been making, that okay fine, you can close like I'm step and the general public will play in the evening. So kumtare, there is no harm. See, my only thing is that my not as a member or anything, personal thing is come play in the golf course. You want to play football, but don't defile it. Main thing. One bum picnic, pick up your scrap, pick up your rubbish, pick up your garbage.
La bun snam menta ka Shillong club kala sha lat lo ikipat nyong shong shnong bakin ya wan kai ya masti klem kanu ka jing siu ne jing penthut. Shillong club ka badai ka try jong ka te ka jaka kala shim ya ka rai ban kerno da ki sainar baro kum kalat ban te la kam ka jingbrat jabo pathar badru ban penduna bat ban Pynshai ki jingja ki basniu ki baju ja hak te ka jaka na kapor sha kapor habakli halor ka buy ticket na kalyang ka club klai thu bahadu menta kampala ban penbet hindri kila pentikna bakanum tam ya ka shipho ne arpho tingka Nakalyang ki Dkhot jong ka Shillong club kila ong bakani kam dei ka kam ban kamai pisa Henry yakani ka pisa on sedang ban pentri kam hakiwei ki benta ban pen khuat pen suba yakani ka madan bat ban pen klein ru yak jing pahara.
Rupees 200. I am telling you, it may be 5, 10, maximum 20 rupees, which you are paying in other entry points. No, it will be based on that. So. Like I said, no, it is not about the money, it's about the survivor of this course. No, sometimes people think that no, this is a public and no man's land. I have encountered quite a few young boys who lecture me and told me that this is not your property, this is our property. This is not a public property. This is the private property of the Shillong club. Then see. Since this course is not, is open to public, you will notice that it has become a place for drug users, place for antisocial elements. I heard that, I don't know, I have not seen, but I heard that even dead bodies are recovered from the course, which is very sad. No? So, something has to be done to control that. One thing is to save the course, and then the other thing is that, to stop antisocial elements from this course. And another important point is that people come and they just throw litters. They throw garbage here and there. By the time they leave, you'll see that the whole course is full of garbage. It's just like a dustbin. Now, in the club, we are trying our level best to keep it clean. But after Saturday and Sunday is the same story. People come and enjoy in the open air, but the problem is when people don't understand that this is a golf course. They come with football boots, they play football, and then because of that football boot mark, it takes at least 2 years to recover.
Dati kau Italian dekat deh bawa macam penjebok baik pernah mengapa village jangan itu lang kini kalau alam kau ke Jakarta bagi nyala kai yang superlock lima dia minta bikin ke anak si tiket ini tu kalau jengduk nang ini tu ni balawan nak kai ni lahir asan ni di bahiang masam baru long kini kalau alam ikut ka alam ya kabahia pasti ni lah selamat bah pertama kali dan tiang kata ke itu lang mengirut nyawan akalang mengirut nidon ni kau mah mengikum cepat lah bala dem saatnya bikin si orang nak maki kumta tak kalau nak kembar kini apa hak dengi kan kemengi cepat bar nidon ni tak hak bengin nyawan climate Asian mar kene kalau kembala ai blend Pynshai
semua yang happy balong kalau kata penambar ba di baik penjabok kumta te lada kita kat na bentak kemarin ke semua yang happy community siya mangisi tanak benwan kai ni tulong dunong hi nama gun ki menta ki family ki ero ki smart benwan kai sinete nama balong pangat tu so ka biang ke ite long benut hi mo inisiatif dari bakhang te dari bamyawan su Kinwan tekinwan be hi tang balong na se dari bakis mo temat telat tu kinwan hi dari ba dan tiket dari ba ki ai tiket ai ro kinwan hi ban pulut ai